We have already covered the basics of how to use all these tools in SketchUp on iPad, and today we are going to see how to create this display unit. Going into the home tab, I'm going to create a new drawing and start with a rectangle tool. If you do not find it here, you can click these three dots and from here you can choose the tool and you can select the axis perpendicular to which you want your rectangle, and you can click and drag and give the exact value. Where I am giving 6 feet, 8 feet. Enter. Create some lines. Create 2-point arc. First point and second point, and defining the bulge again. We will erase the extra lines. Offset tool. Choose the surface and give a value of 1 inch. Draw some lines. Now offset this arc. Taking the offset tool, 1 inch, and this surface also 1 inch. I will create some lines over here. Deleting extra surfaces. And extra lines. Take the push-pull tool. Select the surface and drag it and give a value. Group it by selecting it. Now you can apply a material and you can turn off the edge mode. Deselect everything. So this is going to be the end result.